finish up going over our recycling homework. Recycle it, make something new. How did you recycle it? All right, here's the end of Cindy's video. I started it before class so we could watch the end of it.
Then when you want to take it out of the sink out, you put out the tape, and then you have a thing. Put out, and put out.
Wow, 2 compartments, one on the top and one on the bottom.
Don't worry about how many you do it. So when you do so fast, it is have 10 minutes. So medium is 30 minutes. And
Cindy, what would you use this for, Cindy?
In that or something I didn't to use, but I want to keep it.
Very cool. So it's something you put stuff in it you want to keep?
Yeah.
Very good. This is a good idea, Cindy. It has a top storage, a bottom storage. You can open and close the bottom of it.
Hello everyone, my name is Krita. I am from class 3-9. Today I will tell you about my mini petrol case. My mini petrol case is made from mini boxes. And it is nails. It contains speakers. And this one is the bottle of milk. When it is out, the bottle of milk, and I cut like this mini box. This pencil case can contain pencils.
All right, very nice. So you recycled an old speaker box, an old carton of milk. These things would have just ended up in the trash or in the water or burned and made pollution in the air. Great job recycling, Queen.
hello everyone, my name is Sao, class 29. Today I will talk about the plastic bottle. First, find in your house a plastic bottle like this, cooking oil plastic bottle. The second, wash the plastic bottle with soap. After that, dry the plastic bottle with anything in your house. Then cut it. Then cut the head of the plastic bottle like this. Draw your finger in it and put your finger pencil over it.
All right, excellent job, Sal. And great idea for the video to have one ready so that you can explain it with a full bottle. And then instead of cutting it and us waiting, you had one there ready. That was a great idea. So good presentation skills, Sal. Teddy, yours is 2 minutes.
My name is Teddy.
Do you have yours in front of you so we can see it? Could you tell us what you made?
I made a pen. Okay.
Can you hold it up for us to see again?
And I decorated with Easter eggs and Easter bunny.
Oh, it's so cute! Just in time for Easter. That was on Sunday. Aww. I love your decorations. Teddy, why is recycling plastic important?
Because what plastic bottle cannot recycle because what plastic bottle, when you throw it in the trash, then the trash truck can get it dumped into the junk, but it cannot reduce or recycle, so it will stay there. Or sometimes the trash truck leave a hole and didn't know, and the plastic bottle and other things fell in the river or the road.
Very good. Excellent job. It'll just go into good job. It'll just go into the trash and stay there for a long time, or it'll go into the river.
Hello everyone, my name is Today we tell you about how to recycle a plastic bottle. We can use a plastic bottle in many things, but today I choose use a plastic bottle to plant a tree.
I love your drawing. It's beautiful. And that means you're also using paper. Very good. You can recycle it from maybe an old piece of homework or a worksheet that you don't need anymore.
Excellent work. First, I wash the bottle, then I dry it. After I dry it, I cut the first part of the bottle. Then I can draw a picture. If you're sitting here, you can sit on the picture. Yeah, or these you can put it too. After I draw, and just
All right, very good. Excellent work, Chi. All right, now that we've finished sharing our recycling homework, I will say again, I was very, very impressed. Your projects were really creative. Excellent job. Let's go over your homework from last night. Way people use water. Let's get a couple of responses. Which ways do people use water most often? Cube.
Drink water.
Drink, okay. Drinking. All right, what's another way people use water? Lehan?
Cooking.
Cooking, yeah, we cook every day, don't we? Very good. And let's get one more. Hacker.
Washing clothes.
Very good. Washing clothes. I'm going to say washing in general because we also wash dishes a lot. What about which ways do people use water the least often? Emma?
Fishing.
Fishing. Yeah, we don't go fishing that often, do we? Maybe in the whole world, fishing is one of the most common since we eat a lot of fish, but not for us.
What, teacher? Can you speak louder?
Yes. Which ways do people use water least often? The second question right here. Kiwi?
Transportation.
Yeah, that's a great one. So, great job again to everyone who did their homework. Let's finish up this unit on how people harm the environment or people change it. This one is on how people harm the environment. Micah, how is the before, during, and after different? What do you see in these pictures, Micah?
When it is before, the forest look very beautiful and it's not so hot.
Very good. What about during?
During the people cut, it makes animals lose home and also make the city, and we also waste the trees.
Very good. Excellent answer, Micah. So we have a forest, and then we have people cut down the trees, and this is what it looks like after. Min Huang, can you read that for me, please?
People cut down trees to make space to building and used to make house. How does this change the environment?
Good. Can you say environment?
Environment.
Good job, Min Huang. Thank you for reading. Min Long, what do you think? How does this change the environment?
I think people cut down trees. It's not a good way.
Very good. It changes the environment in a bad way. Sorry, Min Long, did you have more to say? Keep going.
The people cut down trees to make things, the country to make into money.
Very good. So people use this just for money. They're wasting resources. Zalin answered in the chat about the pictures. She said before it's green, during it's black, after it grows back, maybe, but not where the houses are.
Plants die, animals lose their habitat and less space to live.
Very good. So that's how the environment changes. Plants die, animals lose their habitat, and houses grow. Why did people change this environment? Kwang Hai, why did people change this environment?
Because they change the environment to make house and need to cut down trees to make paper.
Very good. So the trees can be used to make houses, to make paper, and the space can be used to build houses. What do you think Hanoi looked like before people came here? Imagine Hanoi with no buildings, no people, all natural. It used to be that way at one point until people did this. During, people did this. And then we built houses. That's because trees and wood are a resource. Does everyone remember that word? Everyone say resource. Remember, resources are anything people need to use. Trees are an important resource. Then again, people help the environment. Leo, what do you see in these pictures?
People is cutting trees.
Are they cutting them? What do you see in the before, the during, and the after? What do you see in before? Here's before.
The people cutting trees before.
Very good. What happens during?
The people plant.
Very good. They're planting trees. What does it look like after, Leo?
The trees grow.
Very good. Excellent work.
People plant new trees to grow new forests. How does this change the environment?
Very good. What do you think, Hannah? How does planting new trees change the environment?
Planting new trees make the animals have more home to live.
Excellent job. More homes to live.
Me, please.
Go ahead, Emma.
Planting trees make forests grow big.
Very good. We have a bigger forest, more homes for animals, more oxygen. Excellent job. Hacker, could you please read this for me? The second box.
Plants can grow back. Insect and small animal come back first. Soon enough, the forest can go back to normal.
Very good. Much better, Hacker. Thank you. This is an important word. Restore. Minha, could you please read the black box for me?
Restore. To make something the way it was before.
Very good. So we restore the forest to the way it was before we cut it down. Restore. How is this similar to how people have hurt and helped coral reefs?
People steal coral from the ocean.
Yeah, the same way we cut down trees, we cut off pieces of coral. How do people help the coral reefs, Chi? Just like we plant new trees, Kwang Hai, how do we help the coral reefs?
We have coral reefs. When we use, if we didn't know how to make a coral reef and plant it, we can build take a net and put it on and hold it in the sand of the ocean and side of bottom of the sunlight zone, and you stick the coral and some seaweed and stick it in and they will grow more.
Excellent answer. So we build a coral reef on the sand of the sunlight zone. That's a great answer, Kwang Hai. So just the way we restore a forest to how it was before, if there is a coral reef that is hurt, we can help grow more and restore the coral reef. This is more ways we can help the environment. Cindy, read the black box.
Scientists do research.
Excellent job, Cindy. Research means they search for new answers, like researching climate change and how to stop it. They learn. Kiwi, read the white box.
People can recycle.
Very good, recycle. Assie, read the purple box.
People can use less.
Very good, use less, like using less water. That is reduce. Let's use less water. Just like we talked about in the homework, water is really important. We need to turn off our showers. Don't let the water run when we do dishes. Mia, can you read the green box?
Okay. People can learn about keeping environment healthy.
Very good. We must learn. Minha, can you read the red box?
People can clean up pollution.
Very good. Excellent job, Minha. Clean up pollution. And Minlong, can you read the yellow box?
People can restore habitat, plant trees, build coral reefs.
Excellent job. So scientists can research. We can recycle or reduce and use less. We can clean. We can learn. And people can restore habitats. Lehan, could you read this slide for me, please?
Conclusion. People hurt the environment for resources. People help the environment too. We can reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Excellent job. Thank you, Lehan. Let's review some vocabulary. The first word,
Recycle is something to make something new.
very good. Mickey, can you read this one?
To make something much the way it was before the damage.
Very good. Restore. To make it the way it was before it was damaged, like restoring the forest to a big, beautiful forest. Noob, can you read this one?
Recycle.
So this one is resource.
Resort. Anything people and animal or plant used to meet their needs.
Very good. Some examples are plastic, paper, food, water, and more. Great job, Noob. So that is resources like air, water, wood, and trees. All right, Ocean, can you read this one for me, Ocean?
Weather. The temperature. Sunshine, wind, rain, and more.
Excellent job. Minhuang, can you read this one for us, Minhuang?
Nature disaster. A nature event that caused a lot of damage or loss of life.
Excellent job. Natural event that causes loss of life or a lot of damage. Pollution. Suri, can you read this one for me, Suri?
Pollution
Mm-hmm.
sometimes harmful to the environment.
Very good. Can you say something?
something.
Very good. Thank you, Suri. Natural disasters. These are fast changes. Sal, what natural disasters are these?
Weathers.
Yeah, what are the names of these natural disasters? What are they?
Fire, forest.
Forest fire, that's the first one. Teddy, do you know the other two?
Tornado.
Tornado, good. And what about this one?
That is flood.
Flood, very good. So we have forest fire, tornado, flood. Good work, Teddy. How do these change the environment? Hannah, how do these change the environment?
We change the environment by making a pollution.
Very good, it makes pollution. How else does it change the environment, Hannah?
By the weather.
Yeah, so by the weather, good job. Suri, what happens to the plants and animals?
Some animal, it will die. Some animal come to a new place to live.
Excellent job. Some die, some move. So that was natural disaster. Here are plants. These are slower changes. Kui, how can plants change the environment?
Plants grow too big and
Yeah, it grows too big. Very good. And that kills the plants underneath of it. Then the animals don't have anything to eat because they can't all eat kudzu. All right, animals. Animals change their environment too. Oh, Zalin said the answer. Kudzu do not leave enough sunlight. Good job. Chi, how do animals change the environment?
some animal help the tree grow and some animals river cut the tree to make a pond.
Very good. So the beaver hurts the trees, maybe hurts some animals in the pond, but also helps animals. The bird spreads seeds. A bird spreading seeds changes the environment. Here are our conclusions. Natural disasters are fast changes and take years to recover from. Weather, like spring, summer, and fall, are slow changes. Animals can move or die during a fast change. And plants and animals change an environment in good and bad ways. Let's do some matching. Ready, set, go. Good job, Minhuang. Nice, Teddy, Kiwi, Kwanhai, very good. Chi, very nice. Minhuang, good. All right, so the kudzu plant grows over other plants. Nice work. The beaver builds dams, very good. The forest fire burns trees, and people in this picture make plastic pollution. Excellent work, everybody. All right, what kind of change is this? Good, bad, or both? If it's both, draw the line down the middle. People throw trash into nature. All right, good job. That's bad. So let's draw a line like this. Good, bad, or both. Beavers cut down trees. Nice, looking good, everybody. Mickey, good. All right, mostly bad, a little bit of both. Although the beaver making a dam might be more of both, the actual cutting down trees is probably just bad. Animals lose habitat, right? Good job. Apples grow somewhere new. There's a new apple tree in the environment. Is that good or bad? Nice, I agree. For the most part, I'd say it's probably a good thing. More food for the animals. The kudzu plant grows somewhere new. Definitely bad. All the other poor plants. Beavers build a dam. Good job, everyone. Yeah, this one is both. The dam provides a new habitat, but it might hurt some of the fish in the river. It might trap them. People plant trees. Very good, everyone. Nice. We only had one person who scribbled. Put it over here. People planting trees is definitely good. A hurricane hits the coast. Remember, the coast is the part of land that is on the ocean. Nice, Noob. Good job. First one on the scene. Teddy, good. Excellent. Yes, it would be bad. It would hurt all the plants and animals. A tsunami would be the same. A tsunami would hurt all the plants and animals. What about a bird eating berries? Good or bad? A bird eating berries. Yeah, I agree. I think it's in the middle, but leaning more towards good because it helps spread seeds. All right. A forest fire. I will actually tell you this one, and we'll figure out why in just a minute. It's both. It's bad because it hurts the animals and the plants, but good because some plants have adapted and actually need small forest fires. It can actually be healthy. People recycle, we know that one. That one's good. People waste resources. People waste resources. Go ahead and draw. Exactly, that is definitely bad. Okay, last one. Match each word to its definition. Draw. Good job, Minhuang. Very nice. Real quick, recycle. Recycle means to use something to make something new. Remember, you recycled paper, pollution, something harmful, natural disaster, natural event, weather is temperature, sunshine, rain, resource. Anything people, animals, or plants use to meet their needs, like wood, water. Human resources are animals and plants to eat, the sun, dirt, everything. Everything in nature that we use, the wood to make your pencils, the trees to make your paper, are all resources. Okay, that's everything. Let's go over your homework. Fill in the how environments change chart. Fill in the chart. Here it is. Remember, the change could be in a good way or a bad way. So write both. How does fire, kudzu, beaver, and people, how do they change the environment? And remember, fire can also be good. Some seeds need fire in order to start growing. It's an adaptation they got.
Goodbye. Goodbye.